First, carefully take the camera out of the mount and then use hot glue to set it to desired angle. And I use a soldering iron, set it to about 200 degrees Celsius. Then melt the canopy so the camera can see out. You should end up with something like this. A little comparison of the original and the modified canopy. And I use a soldering iron to punch some holes through it so that it should look like that, so that when you put the Sugru on, it will stick, it will hold. Smudge the Sugru through the hole and apply on both sides like so. I'll leave a link for the Sugru in the section below. Then with a hot iron, I punch a hole on the top of the canopy to access the VTX channel button, so I can change the channel easily.